You're welcome to another value-packed training session. My name is Ogechi Madukoma. I am the MD CEO of Glomajos Limited and also the lead trainer at Glomajos Business School. Today we'll be learning how to produce this beautiful antiseptic bath soap. Behold your molding of a beautiful antiseptic bath soap. If this is your first time on my channel, please do well to subscribe, and I thank you for stopping by. And also do like this video so that YouTube shows it to more persons that needs to see it. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say thank you so much for sticking with me. You rock. You are the bomb. Please do well to like this video so YouTube shows it to more persons. On this channel, I don't just teach you how to produce various household cleaning products. I also teach you how to turn those skills into a profitable business and how to structure that business. On this channel, you will see videos on how to register your product with NAFDAC, how to register your business with CAC, informations about grants and how to apply to them, and much more. So do well to watch other value-packed videos on this channel. One more time, please subscribe if this is your first time here. Like so YouTube shows it to more persons, and please share, share and share. Share to other WhatsApp group, share to your friends, and share to your neighbors, and they will bless you for sharing value with them. Come with me, let's jump right into the making of our beautiful antiseptic bath soap. But first, I'll take you through the list of chemicals that I used in producing this beautiful soap. One more time, I say thank you for stopping by if this is your first time. And I say thank you for sticking with me if you're a returning subscriber. I'll promise I'll always give you value. Let's jump right in. So we'll be learning how to an antiseptic bath soap. When I say antiseptic, I mean a soap that has an antiseptic property that can treat skin infections. You understand? Like the antiseptic soap that we like Okin, like the Dettol and the rest of them. So I'll be using, this will be my active ingredient. This is chlorozinol. So in your case, you can use any antiseptic chemical that you want. It can be the dried one, it can be the wet one. You can use IPA, you can use whatever, but I'll be using chlorozinol here. So let's run through the items that I'll be using to produce this small batch of the antiseptic bath soap. Okay, so I'll be using PKO. You can use any oil of your choice. This is my PKO. It is 250 ml. I'm using PKO 250 ml. And I'll be adding beeswax. You know the many goodness of beeswax. I'll be adding it in this production. This is beeswax. So I've melted it already. You can melt it using double boiler. Sure, you understand what I mean by double boiler? You put a pot on fire and then you put your beeswax on another pot. Put water inside the big pot, then boil it. This is beeswax. I don't destroy the properties in the beeswax. I've melted it. And this is my fermented caustic soda solution, my lye solution. It is 125 ml. The hygrometer reading here is 1275. You can also use 1250, whichever one you want to use is fine. And this will be my mold. You don't know what beeswax is. This is the raw beeswax. This is what I melted. This is beeswax. Don't mind me, I'm not wearing my gloves today, forgive me. So this is beeswax. This is what it looks like. So I'll go right into production. So join me. This will be very quick. So the first, I'll add my oil. And I'll add my beeswax. This beeswax will also help our soap to be strong. Then I'll add my lye solution. And I'll stir very, very well to form a trace. Before you melt your beeswax, make sure you're ready for production because it can get solid again very, very fast. And it can cause lumps in your soap. So to avoid that, ensure that you're ready to produce that. As you're bringing it down from the fire, you're adding it to your soap. So I'll just add my chlorozinol, about just 10 ml of my chlorozinol. My chlorozinol here is my antiseptic chemical. So I'll just add a bit, just 10 ml. I'm fine. 10 ml of chlorozinol. And I'll mix properly. And I'll add my fragrance. This is my fragrance, is your choice. You can add, because if chlorozinol in there will smell hard. But if you want to add, I'll just add a little bit of my fragrance. I'll add just about 5 ml of my fragrance also. And I'll keep stirring until my soap is well blended, then I'll pour into my mold. It's as simple as that. So when our soap is done, I'll let us see what. So just stir until you get a very good mix. So I think we are good to go. So I'll just pour into my mold and I'll allow to solidify. I wasted time with my beeswax. That's why it's as if it's having this lump, but it will dissolve here. But that's why I said when you want to do yours, ensure that you're ready for production. So as you pour into your as you melt your beeswax, you're ready to pour into you're ready to start production. You don't keep it because it can get solid very, very fast again. Beeswax also has very, very, very plenty benefit for our skin. That's why you can Google the benefits of beeswax to your skin and see why we add it to our soap. So here is our soap. I'll allow them to solidify. In about 3 hours at most, it should be fine. I'll come back to show us what our soap is like. So here we have it. We'll come back in about 3 hours at most. Because of this beeswax here, this soap will be solidified fast. So let us see what our soap is. Thank you. Please ensure you subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time here, I post valuable videos like this. So subscribe. And if you think you want to join my paid training, please send me a WhatsApp message on the number above and I'll be there to attend to you. Please subscribe, please share, please comment. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section below and I'll answer you. Thank you. We'll be right back. Welcome back. Okay, let's see. A mold. Wow, see how beautiful antiseptic bath soap is. You see how beautiful it is? Yes. And this girl solidify in just about 3 hours because of that beeswax. You can actually reduce the amount of beeswax you add. Because I saw that some of the oils there was not fully saponified. You can just reduce, you can just use about 10 ml of beeswax is fine. You can also decide not to add beeswax at all if you don't have it. You can produce this soap without your beeswax. You can produce it. It will be very, very perfect. It will be beautiful. It will be okay without the beeswax. If you don't have your beeswax, don't stress yourself. Just go ahead and produce your soap without beeswax. And also for the antiseptic chemical, if you don't get chlorosinol, you can add IPA. You can even add phenol. Any of the chemical that is used to produce liquid antiseptic like Dettol, you can add them here and it will be fine. The idea is just for you to help you fight any bacteria or whatever in the water or in the body and help you stay safe and clean. So here you have it. Please, I beg one more time, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. I beg you, please. If this is your first time here, please do well to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber that you have not, please, I beg you, like this video so that YouTube shows it to more persons and